Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott new rear shock for the Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class C218 and E-Class W212 with ADS. This video will walk you through the steps. Proper installation is essential to experience and appreciate the benefits of this system. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Before raising the vehicle, remove the luggage compartment panels to gain access to the applicable shock top mount. Once you've gained access to the shock top mount, raise the vehicle and remove the applicable wheel. Then deflate the air suspension system following the guidelines provided by the manufacturer. Disconnect the electrical connection. Remove the bottom shock mount bolt. Continue by removing the two top shock mount nuts. To complete the removal, compress the shock and remove it from the vehicle. Insert the new Arnott shock into the vehicle. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Reinstall the bottom shock mount bolt and install the two provided top shock mount nuts. You're almost there. Reconnect the electrical connection to the shock and reinstall the applicable rear wheel. Inflate the air suspension system following the vehicle manufacturer's specifications, and you have completed the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear shock with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.